MI Beard Trimmer made for the modern man. Today we are going to see the unboxing of this particular product, which is definitely a sailing essential. So it has 40 length settings. You can change it to whatever setting you want. It has stainless steel blades, it has powerful battery, corded or cordless usage, IPX7 waterproof body, perfect grip and travel lock. You can check out the advertisement video on their YouTube channel or just go to the website and click on the play button and you will be able to see the working condition of this particular product. Initially it was 1500 but now they offer it for a discounted price of 1400 bucks. It has rounded blades for skin friendly performance. It has advanced self sharpening. You can conquer any style using this particular product. They have given the catalog and they have also shown pictures of the style that you may want to adopt. Since it has 40 length settings with 0.5 mm precision and also two different combs, it's really easy for you to style yourself without going to the parlor. It has ultra powerful battery. The charging time is 2 hours and the run time is 90 minutes. It charges quickly for instant use. If you charge it for 5 minutes, you'll be able to use it for 10 minutes. It has LED battery indicator and supports 5V adapter. It can be used as corded or cordless. You can clean it easily by just showing it in running water. The whole body is hydro resistant and fully washable for your convenience. It is engineered for ease. It has unique quad edge design. We have handled many trimmers before, but I'm telling you guys, this was so sleek and so convenient to just hold. You will not feel like putting it down once you get your hands on it. It is absolutely travel friendly, which is very important for a sailor. It comes with a travel safety lock and also a travel pouch. So these are the contents of the box: a small comb, a long comb, the trimmer itself, the travel pouch, the brush and the charger. Note that it does not come with an adapter but a charging cable. We've seen all the descriptions. Now let's take a look at the unboxing.
Just an unboxing video of the MI trimmer. Let's see what we have inside. I don't go through the website actually. I just like MI products in a way.
We've been using MI products for a long time.
Yeah. So of course there are a lot of OnePlus users. But this, my friends, this is a beautiful packing. I like the packing. For 1400 bucks, this is pretty good trimmer. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ooh.
Look at his excitement, guys. Men also get excited when they get new things. Wow, it looks super cool, really.
It really looks amazing.
It really looks amazing. We've been using some local Nova trimmer so
Hey, come
long,
on,
right?
Don't blame Indian products now, okay?
Oh, is that an Indian product? I didn't
Yes,
even
that
know
is an
that.
Indian
Okay, show that close up. Yes.
Just the blades.
Yes.
Yes. Can I start it?
It's amazing. It's amazing. Sure.
God, we should take a super slow-mo with this, man.
I can't see the blades moving.
So guys, this is a beautiful trimmer.
Oh, it
It's a
really
powerful
looks so
one.
professional.
It feels good on the hand. I don't know what other uses are there for this, but then
He just saw this and he randomly added this to the cart. He didn't even check the... See, it's written here. It has 40 length settings. It has 90-minute cordless use. It has self-sharpening blades, which means you don't have to replace the blades in this. This is like kind of a permanent blade setting. And is it possible to do a haircut using this?
no, it's a beard trimmer.
But
then you
I
have to
think we can cut Rayu's hair using this because we've been cutting his hair using a beard trimmer.
Oh, see, there's a battery indicator also. Tick,
Wow.
tick, tick. Cool, right?
Cool, they've already sent it charged. And there's this amazing setting.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It has a nice grip.
Yeah. Like
It
we
feels
can
premium.
actually see how solid it is.
It feels really good and premium. More like a vibrator.
Show the down part. That's the charging socket, is it?
Yes. So they
Do we have a separate charger pin or it's like...
So along with this, we get the cleaner.
Wow. Wow, cute.
Then we have the cable.
Okay, that's the charging cable.
Yep.
Okay.
So let's see how smooth the locking mechanism is.
Wow.
That goes all the way in. And I like the length of the cable also. It's pretty good.
I like this cute pouch. Is this a pouch? Yeah, they gave an MI pouch. Wow, I didn't expect this. It's amazing.
And this is another head.
Oh.
So you get different settings for this.
Oh, okay.
So there should be.
How do you know to handle all this by default?
So that's the way of removing the head. I hope I don't break it.
Wow. Look at the blade.
So you can open the blade up also.
Oh, for cleaning purpose.
Yeah. Can you see what's
Oh
happening?
yeah.
Smooth. So this is another blade which they gave along with this. I think this is for people with longer beards. So this head has 20 settings and this head has another 20 settings. So 0.5 mm to 10 mm goes in this, every 0.5 mm, and from 10 mm to 20 mm comes in this, I guess. So it looks amazing. It goes all the way up.
Wow. Oh.
Can you see, guys, the gap it has?
Oh.
That's almost a 2 centimeter gap, 20 mm we see here.
Okay.
So starting it, and it will give so much. Your hair, the length of your hair would be so much.
Oh, okay.
So that's the limit of the beard.
Okay, then this is good enough to cut a kid's hair, right? To trim.
I know you only want to think about your son.
Yeah. So the best thing to do is to leave this behind so that I can use this to cut Rayu's hair.
You want everything, Fatima?
Oh my god, the grip is so good, Dan. Let me have this. Wow.
What do you feel, Fatima?
Vibration.
Okay, so you want me to leave it back?
Yeah.
Yeah, for what?
To cut Rayu's hair.
Really? Nothing else? I think more girls are going to buy this than men.
Oh my god, it's amazing. Stop it. Okay, so put these things into the pouch.
You mean the cool pouch?
Even the color of the pouch is so beautiful.
So they said there's some locking mechanism for the journey. I should read about that.
Wow, the beard styles look so cool.
So this is all.
You can even do a full clean shave, is it, with this?
Yeah, you can do a clean shave. Like clean shave is almost like 0.5. Oh, not as good as a razor, but then yeah, pretty neat, pretty fast. Okay, so there's the most important thing. Like during traveling, there's a way to, lock it so that it doesn't turn on. I want to know where that option is. See here, guys, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. So let's do that now.
Yes, it's locked.
Okay, you see these lights here?
Yeah.
So now when I keep doing this,
it doesn't come on. Then again you should press and hold for 3 seconds for it to get released. Super.
Okay. Cool, right? Sensible. Most required.
For a sailor.
Yeah, so MI you get like 10 points out of 10.
Really?
Beautiful.
Without even using it?
Yeah, the price point actually is a killer price, right? It's a killer deal.
How much is this?
1,300.
For 1,300 you get a cute pouch and then you get 40 settings.
So all this goes into the bag now. Bye bye, good night, sweet dreams. Well, I hope it doesn't break. I think I better carry this.
Yeah, it's better to pack in the cardboard. This you can put it inside the pouch and you can leave it in your room, like once you reach the ship. So you've already rated it 10 out of 10 for the look of it.
I'll give 10 out of 10 for this grey pouch.
I'll give 10 upon 10 for the pouch. Okay, so you got to use this and then tell us your opinion on that, okay?
Okay. Adios, amigos.
Bye.
Bye bye. Shirt inga, baby oda shirt inga. The shirt karna shirt karna.
Rayu, don't move, last. Every time before sailing, Dan buys a trimmer for himself, which is an absolute essential for every sailor. But this time, we are really happy with our buy. Do check this out on their MI website and stay tuned for more videos. See you again in another interesting video. Until then, this is Fatima signing off.